My name is Tanya Cabral, and I'm an electrical engineer. My bathroom was very dated. There was some water leakage from the shower. Not only did I want to fix the structural elements, but also make the bathroom look nice. With the kitchen, the previous owners had installed very cheap cabinets, and it was not the most functional kitchen. So it really needed an upgrade. It was important for me to hire someone I could trust. I am very busy at work and not always accessible during the day. So I wanted someone who could have excellent communication to keep me aware of any issues that arise. So I called 4 different contractors, and as soon as I met Kobe, I knew that he was someone that I could trust. And with all of the prices being comparable with the other contractors, that really set them over the edge. What sold me in choosing Structura was that Kobe was very honest. He gave me some tips in choosing a contractor, even though he was aware that I was still considering my option. They worked with the city to get permits. They scheduled everything with the subcontractors. Kobe would come often to check on the job site and give me updates. And if there were any issues, he gave me input right away so I could help make a decision. Having that level of attentiveness and being able to be there to represent me was really important. I would recommend Structura because Kobe and Maya really provide a quality service and a quality work. To me, it was such a relief to find someone who I could go to work in the morning and know that the project was making progress and everything would remain on schedule. Someone who's considering working with Structura should feel like they are in good hands. Structura is a very trustworthy company, and Kobe and Maya just do an excellent job. I definitely recommend going with them. Working with Structura made what could be a very cumbersome and stressful process very stress-free and gave me a beautiful bathroom and a kitchen.